Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to see old call history on your iPhone. So guys, if you want to see all of your old call history on your iPhone, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, this is very basic and simple. First of all, you have to simply go back to your home screen and now open settings on your device and then go to your profile and then go to iCloud, and from here go to saved to iCloud, and from here you have to simply scroll it below and turn on the toggle for contacts, and after this scroll it below and turn on the toggle for iPhone and FaceTime. So guys, if it is off you have to simply turn it on, and after this go back and now you will be able to see all your old history on your iPhone which is saved on your iCloud. So guys, you can see this, you can easily get all of your old call history from here. So guys, this is the first way, and the second way is that you have to simply contact your service provider because they have all of your history saved in their system. So guys, you have to simply contact your service provider, and after this you have to simply request them to provide your old call history, and after this they will hopefully provide you all of your old call history on your iPhone. So guys, these are the two ways which can help you to get your old call history on your iPhone. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.